In this video, I want to show you the issue of identify feature tools not working in QGIS. If you find yourself in a situation where your identify tool is not functioning as it ought to be, what is the problem and what is the solution? For instance, I have these three layers in QGIS: Kogi LGAs, settlements, and them. The identify tool is a tool that you can quickly use to identify a feature, and this is the tool. If I click on it and click on the feature, it will show me the information at a glance about the feature I've picked. However, if you look at here, if I click now, you can see that it's not functioning. What can be the problem? This is the problem. Before the identify feature tools can work, you must select and make a particular layer active. For example, look at this Kogi LGA. For me to make it active, I have to click on it to select it. Now it is active. If I now pick the identify feature tool and click on this very layer, Kogi, you can see that it will show me the information about the feature I've selected or I have picked. So, however, if I click on this point feature, which is settlement, it will not show anything. The reason is because I have not selected or make active the layer. If I want to identify the feature, I have to make it active here. By making it active here, if I click on any of these points, you can see the information here. So if your identify feature tool is not working, the likely problem is that you have not made that very layer active. That is why when you click on it, it's not selecting it. For example, this settlement is the one active now. So if I click on this other feature, just like this, it will not show anything because that layer is not active. For example, this digital elevation model, if I make it active now, let me locate it. This is it. If I click on it, it will show me information about it. However, if I click the point feature, it will not show anything because it's not active. So in short, if your identify feature tool is not working in QGIS, the problem is that you have not made the layer you want to identify active in the table of content. To solve it, click on the layer to make it active, and when you click on that very layer you have made active, it will work. Thank you for watching.